What's up? We're reviewing these toys. You don't see our face.
Yeah. Face reveal. Going to do a face reveal, guys. Look at Look at this, guys. See that? See what?
There's a rabbit. So guys, if you don't know these, kind of just like Lego, but mixed with puzzle. Yeah, again, connect the boot like this. Connect like this.
Guys, especially game girls.
Let's build a car.
This thing's a human in a car. What is this?
Go.
I'm gonna build this car. See how I build it. By the way, guys, if you want to like this, like this, place this like this piece.
Oh, okay, right.
That.
Let's build a car
Building a car.
for the viewers and like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, like and
So it
subscribe.
could reveal more toys.
Yeah. Guys, if we hit 1K subscribers, we're gonna do a face review. Okay, just ignore the talking sound, guys. How bad is my face?
No, don't do this.
Oh, I almost sit down. This shirt.
This way, like this, the person.
Doing a car, random car. Guys, have you ever seen? Try my car.
Guys, these toys are actually good.
Yeah, you should go.
Look at that. They did a cutting moment. She's just like wearing those tall shoes. She's just wearing those tall shoes.
I'm done, guys.
I'm done.
So
Sorry, I'm not. I'm done.
It's my cup.
This is my car. Isn't it good? Yeah.
My car.
Let's do a 360. get this. Wait.
Oh my feet! Freaking God.
So to get these toys,
I got a jar.
you need to get it from a mall.
Oh! Guys, I'm gonna put it on a chair. Smell.
Guy. Okay. Guys. What do you want us to do?
Doing a car.
Oh. Oh, an animal? Okay. Let's build an animal. So guys, I'm going to build a tiger.
A build slug. Actually, never mind. I'm just gonna build.
Malas tayo! Hindi pa!
So,
Chicken egg. I'm done now, Jay.
sir,
Yeah.
you better need some details.
Super square. What's that?
It's a tiger. That's slow.
That. So we're gonna.
Guys, did you saw a bit of my face reveal?
This is my little sister. I'm taking it.
She's like wearing those tall shoes.
You know what? I don't know what looks my mom buy those to me. Guy looks a wiener. This guy. It's a long wiener.
Yeah, that's extend.
Standing thing. Come I'm my face reveal. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Trying to be short. Because I'm very short in real life.
You got those tall shoes.
Alos din kayag na yung
I'm gonna wear them.
pero rin pinadadaan kahit meron kasi alalang makain pa sa yeros ka rin.
It's been 8 minutes now.
Okay mo,
Guys, here's my tiger. Wow. This is tiger, mate.
Is that the clock saying? Guys, look at my favorite chicken leg.
Hey, show it to them.
Chicken leg! Gotta cook the chicken. Gotta eat it.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe for more videos. Yeah. Yeah, like and subscribe for more videos.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.